Hey guys, Antonio here with another video on how you can make a lasting change in the new year. And this goes along with a blog post I wrote when the new year started. But hey, it's February and I'm catching up on these blog post videos. So make sure to subscribe and follow along with more videos like this. And follow along on my mailing list. This way you can get notified of my blog post as soon as possible, guys. So, how many times have you heard this damn excuse? Time just isn't just right now. Dude, like I had such a crazy summer. I'll get back to the gym in October. I just need like all of September to relax. Like the summer was just so crazy. I drank so much. I had so much fun. Like I just need September to relax. Come back to me in October. Dude, October, every single night when I come home from work, I've been so stressed out because I'm trying to figure out what my Halloween costume is going to be. I need to know what it is. Can you help me out? Because I have no idea. That's why I haven't been to the gym, dude. I promise I'll be back in November. I just need to get over this Halloween costume thing and then I'll be there. Don't worry, dude. You can count on me. Dude. Work has been so busy. Like I go to work and then I come home and I'm just so exhausted. Like I can't even get up to go to the gym because I'm working like 8 hours and it's like so much work. And then thinking about like all I can think about is Thanksgiving break. That's all I need right now. Like once Thanksgiving break comes along, like I'll be back in the gym. I just need that mental break in order to come back. Going to the gym is just too much right now. Dude, Christmas is like right now and I've just been every single night there's like a new like Christmas celebration and Hanukkah celebration. The holidays are here and I have no idea what to do. Like friends, family, always trying to get together. I never have time to go to the gym, dude. Like I think once the holidays are over and I'm done shopping for everyone, then I can go back to the gym. So I'm just gonna start the goal at the new year. Like I promise, like I'm gonna come back in the new year so strong that you won't even know who I am. Gym, baby. I'm so excited. Yeah, I think that was enough for today. Oh, I'm so tired. Yeah, I'll definitely go to the gym in the afternoon. I can't do it right now. I'm so beat from work, dude. I'm not making it to the gym. I'm sorry, man. How many times has that happened with you? Not necessarily the goal of going to the gym, but anything, right? There's so many excuses that can come up every single day. And people take those excuses like the time just isn't right, or I don't feel like doing it right now, or there's too much going on. That just simply means you aren't prioritizing properly. If you really cared about going to the gym or cared about this other goal, you'd make the time for it, and you aren't based off of other things. You care about relaxing more than that, and that's a simple fact. You just have to face it. And the problem that happens with the new year is that people try to store all of these goals. It's like they save up for years and years, and they're like, I'm gonna change a million things about me once the new year starts. Oh my God, I can't wait till the new year, guys. I'm gonna lose 300 pounds. I'm gonna be a millionaire. I'm gonna get with like 7 supermodels and I'm gonna marry one in the end. And I'm gonna buy myself a large house and a Lamborghini. Oh, wow. 2018 is my year, I promise. That's the thing. You usually end up starting the year with all of these changes. And what ends up happening is you get so overwhelmed by day 2 or 3. And you can't get on to day 4, 5, and 6, let alone day 356, right? There's 356 days in the year. That's the problem. You need to have the endurance to go the whole way. You need to build habits. That's how you're going to get it. How do we build habits? We start with something small, something easy, something that you can do right now, and build upon it. So, let's take the goal of going to the gym and exercising and living a healthy lifestyle. What is one thing you can do right now? You could start walking. How I would go about doing this is 5 minutes a day, I walk. A week later, maybe I get used to that. Bump it up to 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 2 weeks later, 15 minutes. 3 weeks later, 20 minutes. All the way up to 30 minutes. And maybe I turn this into a light jog. I start light jogging every single day. Then I turn it into a run. Then I turn it into weightlifting and a run. And then as soon as you know it, I start looking like this. Right? That's what happens. You start with the small habits and you keep building upon them. Start small, make your body used to them, and build upon it. When it becomes a habit, it becomes automatic and you don't have to think about it. But when you're trying to do 8 new things at once, what ends up happening is your mind is spreading itself too thin and you can't. You need to be spreading yourself focusing on one thing, not spreading yourself thin. So guys, hope you enjoyed today's video on making a lasting change in the new year. I hope that you subscribe to my mailing list, subscribe to the channel, check out my Patreon, visit my social media sites, and remember that a chapter a day allows for success to make way. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.